Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Thursday morning, it's the 28th day of May. And as I make this here at 3:46 in the morning, fog is becoming a little thicker here in central Alabama, and that could be an issue for morning commuters, and even a big band of thunderstorm out to the west of us as I make this in the middle of the night approaching as well. So the radar is already active. On this video, we'll talk about another thunderstorm day in the state of Alabama today and tomorrow, some of which could be strong. I have the latest from the Storm Prediction Center. The weekend forecast continues to look better, maybe a tiny rain chance on Saturday, but I think after that, it's clear sailing for a few days and hotter temperatures as well. What's the latest from the tropics? Bertha was kind of a surprise yesterday when it developed yesterday morning and is now a tropical depression. We'll see what else is out in the tropics. Once again, that bowling ball feature called an upper low near the Arklatex region will have a profound effect not only on our weather today, but on weather all to the east of that low. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center has a large severe weather risk area from Pennsylvania all the way down into Texas. Notice there's a little yellow there in northwest Alabama. That's a slight risk, a level 2 risk of severe thunderstorms, including places like Tuscaloosa and Birmingham and northwest Alabama as well. So some stronger storms with maybe some damaging wind gusts today. The radar perhaps not quite as active as it was yesterday, but still some stronger scattered storms around. High temperature up to about 86. Good bit of humidity. Tonight slowed down to about 66. And westerly winds today at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow, the upper low becomes just a trough of low pressure, but still we're on the wet side of it. So more showers and thunderstorms. I can't rule out a couple of stronger storms tomorrow. But by Saturday, the trough lifts out and the ridge expands. And that means that the rain chances start to decrease Saturday. In fact, only a slight chance, about a 20% chance Saturday, and then I think we can take rain out of the forecast on Sunday as temperatures get hotter as that upper ridge continues to build. We're up near 90 on Sunday with plenty of sunshine around, and the ridge gets stronger as we get into the beginning of next week around Monday. So a drier period of time, the unsettled weather will be gone by then. We're looking for a 40% chance of more storms tomorrow at least, with a high around 87, and just an isolated storm perhaps on Saturday with upper 80s, near 90 Sunday, and then around 91 on Monday we're dry, and then around 90 on Tuesday, and you get the idea. We're getting into another hotter period of time where the rain chances go away, at least for a little while. The beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City calling for a good chance of showers and thunderstorms today and tomorrow, and then only a 20% chance Saturday, back to dry weather for the most part on Sunday. Gulf water temperature now at a season high of 79. We had a surprise yesterday with tropical storm Bertha coming ashore in South Carolina. It's now a tropical depression in North Carolina, a big rain producer there. And there's nothing else in the Atlantic, the Caribbean, and the Gulf of Mexico right now, but whoa, look at this. Several days out around June 8th, the GFS tries to advertise some tropical trouble in the central Gulf of Mexico. We're not going to worry about that now. That's way out there, but we'll continue to watch the Gulf. Speaking of the tropics, the Alabama News Network Safe from the Storm Hurricane Series continues tonight and every night through Sunday. Tonight it's my turn. This is the 25th anniversary year of Hurricane Opal. We'll look back on this landmark storm that had a profound effect on Alabama tonight at 6 and 10 on CBS 8 and ABC 32. Join me tonight. That Opal feature was fun to put together. I was on the 10 o'clock news that night when the center of Opal was passing right over Montgomery, and outside the studio there were 90-mile-an-hour winds, and water was pouring onto the main news set. It was chaos in the studio that night when Opal came to town. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. We'll be live on CBS 8 and ABC 32 on their morning program this morning. Another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. And that's about it. Your forecast whenever you want it across the dial twice an hour on the 8 Blue Water radio station group. Okay? Have a good day today. I'll see you later.